Now, with the government bent on turning the municipality of Portmore into the 15th parish, TVJ Sports examines the effect it will have on football and whether or not the local governing body and the St. Catherine FA are making plans if the change occurs.
Last year, the Counties and Parishes Amendment Bill 2022 was drafted for Portmore to become Jamaica's 15th parish. The proposal for a 15th parish has had mixed reactions and prompted the establishment of a joint select committee of Parliament to consider the move. But how will these changes affect sports, and in this particular case, football? General Secretary of the Jamaica Football Federation, Dennis Strong, says they haven't thought that far ahead.
We haven't looked at that.
We might discuss.
Something definitely we'll discuss it. Okay. It's a good point to raise.
President of the St. Catherine FA, Elaine Walker-Brown, whose tenure comes to an end this year, is also grappling with the issue. It means that should Portmore become a parish soon, St. Catherine could be without a Premier League team.
They can say that they came through the St. Catherine Football Association before Portmore. I don't know what will happen. But when we reach that bridge, I think we'll cross it.
But President of the JFF, Michael Ricketts, vows to look into the matter.
When and if Portmore becomes a parish, then they ought to be now treated as a parish. So, of course, we will be looking at, like you said, the bylaws, the constitution, and to see how best we can fit them into what is in our regulation.
However, there is a suggestion.
Portmore could very well have its own parish president, or could join with maybe Kingston or St. Catherine. But we will be looking at the possible options and ensure that best one is the one that is instituted.
Peter Beckford is the president of the Edgewater Football Association.
We have had talks about Portmore becoming a parish, and in the eventuality what would become a football for Portmore and its affiliation with St. Catherine. Well, over the years, we in Portmore had been clamoring for a FA of our own.
Beckford is on board with one of the suggestions made by Ricketts.
My personal view on that matter would be, for right now, we could stick with St. Catherine. And then if we see the need to branch off on our own in Portmore, then we will take up the mandate. But when you look on the dynamics now, there's a diminished membership of Portmore clubs. There used to be in the region of 30, 20 odd clubs, but now there's a diminished amount of clubs, so I don't know if the fervor is still there and the clamor for its own mandate.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.